everybody, it's Neil, and I have got this here. This is a raised bed garden. It's going to be a raised bed garden. I don't have the box for it because the box got all wet and yucky, so I took it out of the box a few days ago, and I never got around to putting it together. But we're going to put it together here, and we're going to see how it works. It looks like we've got some pieces and parts here. I do have the instructions for it inside, so I'm going to have to go in there and get those. It looks like it's got a little bit of a woodish texture to it. Kind of weird. Interesting looking. This piece, and this piece. So it's got 4 of these little corners. I guess 2 of these pieces. This long piece here. A bunch of screws and a screwdriver and a little wrench. And then all these pieces here. Let me go grab the instructions. These instructions are not super detailed, but that's what you get. This is it. That's all there is for the instructions. So let's put this thing together and see how it goes. Hopefully y'all will be able to see as I'm doing it. Let me open these panels up, I guess. Okay, looks like we got 2 panels that are a little shorter than others and 4 panels that are a little bit longer. You can kind of see here that these 2 are shorter, these are longer. So this is it, and it's all going to be that woodish looking texture. So we'll put it together and see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. There's 2 of the short ones, and those are the B pieces. Let's see. So the B's are going to be the ends, and the A's are going to be the longs. So it's going to be 2 longs. So it's going to be a pretty long piece. So it's going to be this, 2 of these long, and 2 of these wide, or 1 of these wide. So it'll be like this. It'll be like that kind of whole concept here. So let's start putting some of these together and see what happens here. So this will be like this. I guess it goes like that and that. Yeah. So that's. You also. Oh, you guys can't see. Hold on a sec. I'll aim you down so you can see what I'm doing. Now you guys can see what I'm doing here. So let's put some of these together. We'll see how this goes. So it looks like we got a whole bunch of screws, some short screws and some long screws, and a bunch of nuts. So it looks like we got 6 long screws, and then the rest are the short screws and the nuts. So let's see. So these are going to be the corners. So the corner is going to go, I don't know if there's a top and a bottom. It looks like it's about the same. Just go in here, and there, and then a nut. This is going to be huge. I guess it's going to be 4 feet wide by 8 feet long. I'm going to try to get you guys a better angle. There we go. Okay, so here we go. So sorry, dog, stop barking. Okay, so there we go. We have it here. So I built it, and it's about 4 feet by 8 feet, like they said. It also came with some gardening gloves. So that's kind of cool. It comes with some gloves, or maybe these were gloves I should have worn to put them together. But they are kind of rubbery gloves. Let's see how they fit. I mean, I have medium-sized hands, and it fits me like a glove. Ha ha! Fits like a glove. If it fits, must have quit. But there we go. So we got the gloves, got the put together sort of. Just need to find a place to put it, and then I'm gonna screw in the screws. The rest of the screws I only did about half. I did the tops and bottoms and didn't do the middles. So it's gonna need all those. But you see, it's pretty durable. I mean, it's gonna stay together, especially on the ground there, especially when it's all filled up with dirt and rocks and whatnot. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from this one here. This is a very cool raised garden bed, so my garden will be up. I actually have some chicken wire that I will run around it to keep all the stuff out of getting into it. So it's very cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.